back at the Hutchings Sealy building here to get a take by myself on it. Oh, that fan right here is loud, but look at this. We got a cool glass elevator to right here. I found out that was a Westinghouse. It's an epic dinner bell, but it got modded. The shop's at the Hutchings and Sealy building. Oh, that's what it's actually called, the Hutchings and Sealy building. Oh, it's right here. I heard this is the Otis K. This used to be like an old cage elevator at one point. The cabs used to be green too for the modernization. Right down to one. This thing's running better than the last time I came here. This is the elevator that me and my friend had. The term jesting came from. Because back when I was here with Cody and Nate, they were always goofing around and stuff. I'll probably show you all the clip real quick. I think. Alright, let's go down to one. What are y'all doing?
What are you talking about?
I just saw y'all doing some weird like gestures. Look how cool this looks.
I'm not adjusting.
Takes a little bit to level, but I'll go for another ride real quick and then that'll be it. Watch the numbers. Watch your level. I'm gonna go right back down now and end it. Button already went up. Takes like decent 5 seconds to level, but watch this thing close up.